Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. In today's lecture, we are going to find out the quantity of the concrete, or we can say the quantity of the cement, the quantity of the sand, and the quantity of the aggregate for a solid slab system. So how we can find the quantity of these kind of material in a given solid slab. So we see here the slab has a width of 3 meter, the slab has a length of 5 meter, and the slab has a thickness of 0.1 meter. So how we can find out that how much cement is present, how much cement quantity, how much sand quantity, and how much aggregate quantity is present in this slab system. So I will show you with the help of this example, and it will be very easy to understand. The first thing is to find out the volume of this solid slab. So to find out the width volume, I call it width volume. So the width volume is equal to the length into breadth or width into height of this slab. So the length is, this is the length L, this is the breadth or the width of the slab, and this is the thickness or the depth of the slab. So we will put this value, length is 5 meter, breadth is 3 meter, and height is 0.1 meter. So by multiplying this, we will get the volume of the slab system, or we can see the wet volume of the concrete here used in this slab. And it comes out to be 1.5 cubic meter. So this is the wet volume of the concrete present in this slab. Now the next step is to find out the dry volume. Why? I have some lectures in my YouTube playlist that I provided an explanation that why we multiply 1.54 with the wet volume of the concrete to find out the dry volume of the concrete. So what is the basic reason behind this you can find in my other lectures. But keep in mind the dry volume of the concrete is always 1.54 times the wet volume. It is always greater than that of the wet volume. So now dry volume will comes out to be 1.4 multiplied by the wet volume. We know that the wet volume is 1.5 cubic meter. So we get here the dry volume of the concrete, which comes out to be 2.31 cubic meter. So this we got here the dry volume of the concrete. Now to find out the cement quantity, the volume of the cement, the volume of the sand and aggregate, we will simply use this formula, that the volume of the cement will be equal to the ratios. Now I'm taking an example that let's suppose that the concrete that we use here is M25 concrete. M25 concrete means that it has the 25 megapascal strength of the concrete, and the mix ratio of this concrete is 1:1:2. Now this first one, if I write it here 1:1:2, this is the mix ratio for the M25 concrete. This one represents the cement ratio, this one, the second number represents the sand ratio, and the third number represents the coarse aggregate ratio. So to find out the volume of the concrete, we need the ratio of the cement dividing by the total ratio multiplying it with the dry volume. Now ratio of the cement is here 1. You see here 1 is the ratio of the cement. So we'll put it here 1 dividing by the total ratio. The total ratio is, we have to add this ratio, 1:1:2. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 multiplying with the dry volume. The dry volume we found out 2.31. So by dividing this value, we got 0.577 cubic meter. So this is the volume of the cement. In the similar way, we will find out the volume of the sand here. So how? So the volume of the cement, sorry, the volume of the sand will be equal to the ratio of the sand dividing by the total ratio multiplying with the dry volume. It's the same like the cement. So ratio of the sand is again 1 dividing by the total ratio, which is 4. Total ratio is 4, multiplying with the dry volume, which is 2.31. It's also the same. So we get 0.577 cubic meter of the sand is used in this concrete slab. The last one is the volume of the coarse aggregate. To find the volume of the coarse aggregate or aggregate, it's simple. Again, the ratio of the coarse aggregate dividing by the total ratio, multiplying with the dry volume. So the ratio of the aggregate is here 2. 2 divided by the total ratio, which is 4. Total ratio is 4 here. Multiplying with the dry volume, which is 2.31. So by multiplying this value, we got here 1.155 cubic meter. So this is the volume of the aggregate used in this slab system. So this is the very simple way to find out the volume of the cement, the volume of the sand, and volume of the aggregate for any kind of slab system. You just have to keep in mind this simple formula that first you have to find out the wet volume of the slab, and then the dry volume, which is 1.454 multiplied with the wet volume, and then you find out the dry volume, and then you have to multiply each by using this formula. For example, if you want to find the volume of the cement, then simply ratio of the cement dividing by the total ratio multiply with the dry volume. In the similar way, you find the volume of the sand and also the volume of the aggregate. Hope you guys understand, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching our video.